Here we have a helicopter zooming in very low to the ground here, filming an aerial shot of the destruction here caused by Transformers 3 here in Chicago. You can note here that the passenger bridge here has been closed off to pedestrian traffic because this helicopter, it looks like it's almost going to land on top of the bridge tower here. It's getting so low. So you can see it's almost touching the bridge tower. Is it going to land on the bridge tower? Nope, it's in front of it. It's getting very low to the ground to capture all this scene here that's happening with the fire. So now he's going to dive in and swoom in. Wow! Now that was pretty nice. And there's, you can see the helicopter there is still getting the after effects of all the smoke and explosions as it lifts up to the sky away. Oh, looks like he's going to swoon. Nope, I thought he was going to turn around. Oh, he is turning back around. I can literally feel the window vibrating here in the Tribune Tower as the helicopter comes by. He just keeps on swinging back and forth. That's quite the motion that the helicopter is making there. Wow, he's actually going to swarm above the river. It's interesting that the river really isn't making much of a pattern in the water from his helicopter thing, because I could feel it on the window here vibrating. And there's a siren in the background. I can't quite make out if that's part of the movie. I don't think it is. I think someone might have heard an explosion and called like 911 thinking there was a real emergency. Unless if truly something did go awry. Here is the ambulance right here. Is he going to come on set? Often ambulances will come down Michigan Avenue here going down to the hospital, and perhaps it's just coincidence that an ambulance happens to just be coming by. I mean, it happens a lot down here Michigan Avenue. So perhaps that's what it is, and now it looks like they're going to let traffic go through on Michigan Avenue here, so that shot is done. So there's a little bit of an explosion on Wacker Drive here in Chicago for Transformers 3.